Hey everybody, it's Honda Guru Matt, and I got something special to show you. A 2021 Honda CRV Special Edition. You'll find features like 17-inch rims, Honda's smart entry system with remote start, painted mirrors to match the body, all of Honda's safety sensing suite, cloth interior, Android Auto, also Apple CarPlay, heated seats, this special edition CRV will make a great addition to your house. Give me a call or come on down and see me. It's Honda Guru Matt at Victory Honda of Plymouth, home of the car doc. See you soon.